Okay, so the Jayco Freedom bed, we're going to get it ready to drop it down. I'm going to make sure that our seat belts have both been released. There's one on this side and one close to the driver's seat there. Okay, we can also make sure that this area comes down. So the first thing is our table. We put our foot on the little black button below and we push down, fair bit of pressure on it. Okay, release the foot off and it will lock in to the level of the lounges there. We're also going to get rid of our side lounges, get them out of the way. Okay, and then we're ready to wake up our control panel, which is just on the inside of the cupboard door here. Okay, we hold our finger on the top arrow button for at least 5 seconds until we see some lights flashing. Okay, at this time the lights are flashing for us. It's now woken up and we can put our bed down. Now the bed has a limiting switch in the middle section here where it will stop, and we can then continue on to the bottom limiting switch, which is our final resting place. Okay, and there's our bed. We want to make sure that we don't store too much weight, especially when we're going up and down on the seat belts there, and we want to put it away for traveling as well. It will have our resting point halfway up also, and then we continue to press the button again and we'll have it all the way up, and we make sure that we pop our seat belts on and we're ready for travel.